Hi, math students. So this video is to help you get ready for checkpoint number 1. So I came up with some problems that are similar to the ones you're going to see on your checkpoint. So what you want to do is you either want to write down these problems on your own piece of paper, or I attached a picture of this paper to this video, so you can print it out and then just fill it in with me as we go. So the choice is up to you, but make sure you write these down and then use them when you're completing your checkpoint right after this video. That's really helpful for you. Okay, so which numbers can be divided by 6 with no remainder? Again, you can pause this video anytime if you need time to write this down, and then just push play when you're ready to go. So which numbers can be divided by 6 with no remainder? So there's all sorts of cool tricks and things to figure out how you can divide by 6 or by any number, really. Something divides by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3, just so you know, but there's nothing that stops you from just using a calculator and figuring that out. It's okay to use a calculator in this course. So I'm just gonna use my phone calculator because that's what I have handy. So I want to try each of these divided by 6. So 204 divided by 6. I get 34. Does that have a remainder? Nope, it worked out just fine. So I'm going to circle this. This one divides by 6. How about 68 divided by 6? So I got 11.333333. So this one doesn't divide evenly. It has a remainder here. So not 68. How about 60? Oops. 60 divided by 6. Just 10. Yep, that one works. 78 divided by 6. So again, I'm just going through and dividing these. Yep, 78 worked. There was no remainder. It was just an even 13. 208 divided by 6. Ooh, this one had a remainder, so no to 208. 264 divided by 6. That came out as an even 44. Okay, so that's one way you can check if those numbers are divisible by 6. Which numbers can go into 360 with no remainder? So if I do 360 divided by these numbers, which ones go in evenly? So again, let's just use this. 360 divided by 6. That came out evenly, so no remainder there. 360 divided by 5. Yep, came out evenly. How about 360 divided by 8? That one came out evenly. 360 divided by 10. That one came out evenly. 360 divided by 15. That one came out evenly. They all went into 360. So if you want to see what it would look like if one didn't, let's do 360 divided by like 17. So see how that had a bunch of decimals. That would not go in evenly, but the ones that were listed here did go in evenly. Okay, last, show all the factor pairs of 36. What this means is, what can you multiply together to equal 36? Well, you can always start with 1, right? 1 times 36. That's, of course, going to equal 36. What else? Let's try 2. I like to just try to kind of go in order and see what works here. So 36 times what? 2 times what equals 36? 18. 2 times 18 equals 36. Let's try 3. Let's just keep going down here. 3 times 12 equals 36. How about 4? 4 times 9 equals 36. Man, 36 has a lot of factor pairs. How about 5? 36 times, or what makes 36? Nothing there. And you can always check too, 36 divided by 5. It's not an even number there. Okay, so 5 doesn't work. How about 6? 6 times 6 equals 36. How about 7? 7 times, let's see, 36 divided by 7. Nope. How about 8? Is there anything that goes with 8? Nope. How about 9? Okay, so at this point, look, we've already done 9. We did 9 times 4. So we don't need to keep going at this point. We've found all of the factor pairs because we already got up. If I do 9 here, it's just the answer is going to be 4, and we already have that factor pair listed there. So 5, 7, and 8 didn't work. So here's the factor pairs. 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. Those are the only things that multiply together to be 36. Okay, so what you should do now, if all of that made sense, great, you're ready to go for your checkpoint. Use this paper when you do your checkpoint quiz in just a minute. It'll be really helpful for you. If you still need help, if some of these didn't make sense, reach out to me, call, text, IM, email. You can send me a picture, like just take a picture of one of these problems on your phone or on your computer and send it to me and say, I need more practice with this type of problem. Can you give me some more? We can talk on the phone. We can do a video chat, whatever you need. So this is kind of your check. Did all of this make sense? If so, great. Go on and do your quiz. If it didn't, you need to reach out to me and get some more help before you do your quiz.